dayag, ting kamarit na pagudpod ay nakaragagsak. Tagaan na duras, bantay kentalon, ang intiyam yanan amang tegtibyan. Pasingkedan, kamayetan pagudpod tagyan. Pay kayo nagkay sa tayo, natanok nga ilimi apagudpod.
Taxi to Pagudpud, please.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Pagudpud. I'm Lina, your tour guide. I will take you to the different amazing sceneries of our place.
Thank you. I'm Jack, and I'm excited to see the wonders of Pagudpud.
Let's go, Sir Jack!
Welcome to Pagudpud. I am your guide. Come walk with me to see our wonders by land and sea. Pagudpud is where you're meant to be. Let's feel the breeze and see the giant windmills down by the shore where the wind blows free. So good Pagudpud, sika iti kangayetan. Oh, aniyan ang nagpintas, nadayag at iti bye-bye. Napintas amulino iti windmills, kaparis pisang gaming ti umiling. Next to Kapigan Falls we go, walk the trail beneath the trees. Feel the cool and gentle breeze, a hidden gem for you to see. At tatutuyrak sa Kalaganayap, nature's beauty shining bright. So good Pagudpud, sika iti kangayetan. Iliya Pagudpud, nalasmang ken nalimnom. Pagudpud, awan iti kaparis na, daydayawen ken itantangok ka pa. At Saod Beach, the sand is white, golden sunset, pure delight. Let your worries drift away, feel the calm at the end of the day. Tegen ti alon iti bye-bye, a peaceful place that you'll adore. So good Pagudpud, sika iti kangayetan. Ili a Pagudpud, itangtan tutungiti dayag mo. From shore to shore, we proudly say, Pagudpud will shine forever and a day.
Lina, I'm so amazed to see and experience the beautiful places and people of Pagudpud. How I wish I could stay with you forever, but I have to go. Goodbye, Lina.
Jack! Jack! Come back!
09366. Ito nagsarap ka, kung silaman ka, ipasuling tutoy matak, akong itaken ka. Sakto pa'y pangatungken ipababa, kastan ko pa nang iparik na. Anapiyagak nga awan ka.
Jack! Ang sublikan!
Lina!
Jack!
Lina! I have something to say to you. I'm sorry that I left you before. I'm in love with the places. I love the people. And most especially, I'm in love with you. Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, yes!
Ipagpanpanakkel nga agnanayon, iliminap mo ang kinabaknang, nasinaw nga paipa